Hi friends, one more session on debugging, again on internal table. Let's just first execute this report. I'll enter 2020 because I want multiple variables and I will click on F8 to execute. So if you see, there is an output which has been displayed, and in this case it's a simple report, but assume use case wherein the functional person tells you that when the material number is KS-EWM-01, change this quantity BRGEW to from 39.683 to 50 and execute this report and let us see what is the output. So the requirement is the functional person asks you to change a particular internal table entry field value and do some debugging and find out what is the output. Now, how will you change the value of a particular column for a particular for convenience per se, I will copy this material number for our reference and I will again execute the report. We are expecting that we have already put a breakpoint at the select query wherein the value is getting fetched. Desktop 3. Double click on IT Mara because this is the internal table where we want to find the value and change it. We'll click on execute. The values have been fetched. Double click on this table. It will bring you to this table tab and table content IT Mara. Now, as your functional consultant has told you that you need to find a particular row number with a particular condition and then change the field value for some other column. So how you will do it is to click over here on services and do select the find option. Now it will give you a list of columns which you want to do the search operation. I will put this value KS-EWM-01 over here in this and against the Meitner column because I want to find the material number and click on continue. So it will give me the first hit or the search result, and it says that hits for current search is in line 16. Okay, and so row number 16 is where this material number is there, and now the requirement is that I have to change this BRGEW column value from 39.683 to 50. So what I will do is I will double click on this column number. So it will take me to the field or the column for the 16th row. If you see, it is IT Mara 16 because the search sheet was on the 16th row hyphen that particular column number. Now I want to change it. So I'll click on change field content. See, if you see over here, there is a pencil button over here. I need to click on this pencil button and change this value to 50 and hit on enter. So what has happened? The value of the field is changed to 50 in row number 60 for column BRGEW. Now let us go back to the tabs column. There is this back button available over here in the right hand side corner. Click on back. And if you see, for the same material number KS-EWM-01, now this BRGEW column value is 50. So we have successfully changed the value to 50. Now I will click on F8 and let us see this value now after execution, and it got printed on the screen. It is EWM01, the value is changed to 50. So this is how you can change the value of a particular field in internal table by finding out some other relevant field number name value and then change value. Now in this case I had shown you a numeric value. You can pretty much go and change any string value or any other value in the internal table while debugging. You have to be careful when to use it, and it should not create further problems. It is only for certain business cases where you need to find out during debugging before changing the code. What are the repercussions if I change this value to so and so amount, etc. For that purpose only it should be used. So thank you.